Hey guys, are you looking to have a awesome party? Well, you're not only going to need some cool lights like this, you're going to need some cool balloons to go along with it. All right, these are some premium quality thickened latex balloons from QRabbit. So we're going to go ahead and open these up here really quick and I will show them to you. Now, unlike your regular balloons, as I mentioned, these ones are really thick, so you're not going to have a problem with being able to stretch them and then break on you and stuff. These ones here, super durable, going to be doing exactly what you want to do with them. We got some blue ones, a pink one, an orange one, we got green, yellow, sort of like let's see, that's brown right there. What other colors we got in here? There's a red one in there, got red right there. And I think that's about all the colors we got in here. But yeah, look at that. You get tons of balloons in here. Look at that. All right, cool. They do have different sizes of balloons, different quantities of balloons. Then it comes with a little thank you card in here and ensures that you're happy and everything with them. Goes over some safety tips and stuff as well. So we'll go ahead and blow one of these up. The best thing to do whenever you're blowing up a balloon, go ahead and give it a little stretch like that. And then if you're going to blow it up with your mouth, just, put your mouth on there. If you're going to blow it up with helium or whatever, then of course do that. So we'll go ahead and blow this bad boy up here real quick. Look at that. No problem at all. This thing could probably go a little bit more. Super cool. All right, awesome. Let's go ahead and try one more here really quick. And all right, looks like it has plenty of room in here for us to also tie it off. So we're going to go ahead and tie this one off. Boom. Just like that, no problem. That's another issue with some of the cheaper balloons is you don't have enough on here to tie them off. And that's not good at all. You're going to invest in some, fun balloons for your party. You want to be able to tie them off. Or what else? What good are they for? So if you're looking for some awesome balloons to have an awesome party, I'm going to have to highly recommend these ones right here from QRabbit.